saying.
Did you say you want to talk to me about something?
Mommy.
What did you want to say?
Mommy. I don't
Yes, I
know it. Can you help me? Mommy, I don't know what I wanted to say.
All right. So do you want to talk later then?
Nope.
You want to talk right now?
Yep.
All right. Talk.
Mama.
That's it. I'm not going to talk to you.
I don't want Sunny to do it. Amir? I'm not talking to Sunny anymore. Just Mommy.
Okay, what did you want to talk about?
I don't know.
But you still want to talk about something?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what do you want to talk about?
I don't know. Mommy,
Mm.
but I don't know.
You don't know?
Mm-mm.
Do you want to talk about snowflakes?
No. I don't know.
Do you want to talk about this puzzle?
No. I didn't know what I wanted to talk about.
Hey, Amir. Amir. Amir, look at me. How about some ice cream tomorrow? Do you want some ice cream?